In this lecture, let me show you how to use the symbol generator offered by D3. The symbol generator actually generates the path data for different symbols that are commonly used in D3 data visualizations. So some of the common symbols are cross, diamond, circle, triangle, Y, etc. So let's see how to use the symbol generator function provided by D3. So let me add the script section and let me first add the SVG. So let me specify where width equals 600 and height equals 500. Then let me add the SVG. So where SVG equals d3.select body dot append SVG. Then let me specify dot attr of width as width, then dot attr of height as height. Okay, this has to be a full stop. And let me also specify dot style of background to be pink. Now we have added the SVG. Let me save this and show you. This is the SVG. Next, let us use the symbol generator function. So let me specify where stars equals d3 dot symbol, that is the name of the function. Then we need to specify the type, that is which shape or which symbol we need to display. So let me specify dot type. Within this, let me specify d3 dot symbol star. So for the time being, I am going to display the star symbol, and I can also specify the size for this star. So let me specify the size as say 150. So this is the symbol generator function. We need to specify d3.symbol, that is the name of the function. Then we can specify the type. Here I am specifying d3.symbol star. You can even specify symbol circle, symbol cross, symbol triangle, etc. We will see it later. Then we have to specify the size. So I have specified the size as 150. Then we need to specify the positions, that is where we want to display the star symbol. So let me specify where positions equals, it is an array of array. So within this, let me specify some positions. Okay, so first let it be say 50, 180, then 400, 250. Then let me add one more. Let it be say 250, say 400. So here within this positions array, I have added 3 positions. For the first one, x coordinate will be 50 and y will be 180. For the second one, x 400, y 250. For the third one, x 250 and y 400. Next, what we need to do? We need to append path for all these stars, right? So let me specify SVG dot select all path, because we need to have 3 path elements, right? Then let me join the data. So data, it is there in the positions. So let me join it with positions and let me name it like say where items. Okay, then we need to use enter and append. So items dot enter dot append path, so that 3 path elements will be appended, and for these path elements we need to specify the positions and also the symbol to be displayed. So here what we can do is we can use dot attr of transform. We can transform each path to the required position. So here what should we do? We need to use this position within this, right? So we can specify function d, then within this is the function, we can specify return. What should be returned? It should be translate, and within brackets we need to specify the positions, right? So here within double quotes, let me end this, and here also let me end this, and let me put a plus here. So first it should be d of 0. That is the first item will be the x coordinate. So it is d of 0. Then we need to put a comma, right? So plus, let me put a comma, again plus, then d of 1, which will be the y coordinate, then again plus, and let me put a double quotes for this. So hope you understand what I am trying to do here. I want to transform each of these path elements to these new positions. So it will be based on these numbers, right? So for the first one, it should be 50, 150. So we need to append the first item and the second item, and they should be separated using a comma. That is why I have specified translate, open the parenthesis, then d of 0, then put a comma, then we need to have d of 1, and then finally we need to end this parenthesis. So this should be returned as the value of transform, translate. Then as we normally do, we need to use the d value, that is ATTR of d. What should be that? It is created using this one, that is the symbol generator function. So here I can specify comma stars, then we can style it, that is let me specify style, let the color be say fill deep pink. Now we have used the symbol generator function for the value of d, and to see them at different positions we have used the positions array, and using that we have translated all the path elements to the specified positions. Now let me save this and show you. See, we are seeing 3 star symbols, right? So these are at positions 50, 180, 400, 250 and 250, 400. 50, 180, this should be 400, 250 and this should be 250, 400. And now let me add some more positions. Here let me make it say 150, 320. I'm just specifying some random positions. Okay. Then for the next one, let it be say 300, 90. Then let me add one more. Let it be say 420, 300. Okay, now I have added 3 more. Let me save this and show you. See, now we are seeing 6 stars. Suppose instead of symbol star, if I make it symbol say cross. Let me save this and show you. See, now these are cross symbols. Again, I can try circle. See, now they are circles. Now suppose instead of circle, if I specify triangle, it is also possible. They are now triangles. Now instead of fill, if I specify stroke, then it will be just outlined triangles. Let me save this. See, now we are seeing black filled and outlined with deep pink. I can change it like .attr fill to be none, right? None. Let me save this. See, now they are just triangles. So another option is symbol Y, WYE. Let me make it fill deep pink itself and let me remove this. Save. See, now they are Y shape. So it is symbol Y. So like this you can try different options provided by D3 for the symbols type. Then let me reduce the symbol size from 150 to say 100. Let me save this. See, the size of the Y is reduced. Let me make it back to symbol star and save this and show you. See, now it is star symbol with size 100. So this is the symbol generator provided by D3. We have to just specify D3.symbol and the type can be star, cross, circle, triangle, Y, etc. And you can also specify the size. Then you can position them as we want using different values. So we have specified append path and using the transform, we have translated it to the required positions using d of 0 and d of 1. Then we have used the symbol generator as the value of d element. So if you see here, more tools, developer tools, the elements you could see SVG and path. So This is the path for the first star. For this, it is translate 5180, and you could see the value of D is very complex with a number of M, L, etc. And using transform translate, we have different path elements, that is 6 path elements here. So this is the symbol generator function provided by D3, which generates the path data for different symbols that can be used commonly in D3 data visualizations.